In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Adobe Sign document. If you've received a PDF that's been signed and it's locked down with restrictions, this walkthrough will show you how to remove those restrictions in Adobe Acrobat so you can work with the file more freely. Keep in mind, you should only unlock documents you are authorized to modify. Start by opening the signed PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you are using the full Acrobat application, not just the free reader, because we'll be accessing protection and security settings that aren't available in lighter versions. Once your document is open, look toward the main toolbar and go to Tools. Then choose Protect. This opens the Protect workspace, which centralizes options related to security, permissions, and document restrictions. Within the Protect area, find and click Advanced Settings. This expands the protection controls and gives you access to more detailed configuration options. From there, click Security Properties. That will open the Documents Properties window. Focused on the Security section. This is where Acrobat displays the current security method applied to the file, along with a summary of what's allowed or restricted, such as printing, editing, or copying. Under Security Method, click the drop-down menu. You'll likely see an option indicating that some kind of protection is currently in place. From this drop-down, select No Security. Choosing No Security tells Acrobat to remove the existing restrictions from the document. This doesn't alter the visible content of your PDF. It simply clears the permission settings that are preventing you from performing certain actions. When you select No Security, a confirmation window will appear. This is Acrobat's way of making sure you intend to change the file's protection. Review the message, and when you are ready to proceed, click OK to continue. After confirming, you'll return to the Security Properties view, where the security method should now display as No Security, indicating the restrictions have been removed. To finalize everything, save the document to keep the changes. Saving is essential. Without it, the adjustment to the security settings won't stick. After you save, the file should open without those prior restrictions, allowing you to work with it as needed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.